In this video, we will see different types of software testing methods. As we can see, there are different types of software test methods listed here. Each method has a specific objective and strategies. Let us list them one by one. On number 1, we will see acceptance testing. After that, we see integration testing. At number 3, there is unit testing. Number 4, functional testing. Number 5, performance testing. Number 6, regression testing. Number 7, stress testing. Number 8, usability testing. These are different kinds of tests which we will see through whole software development life cycle. As we can see, testing is the process of executing a program to find errors. To make our software perform well, it should be error-free. If testing is done successfully, it will remove all the errors from the software. Now we will see about unit testing. So first we understand what is a unit. A unit in a software is the smallest testable component of an application. And when we validate that each software unit performs as expected, it is called unit testing. The major aim of this test is to evaluate a unit. A unit that is the smallest piece of code that can be logically isolated in a system. Next type of testing is functional testing. In the functional testing, we verify functions by emulating different business scenarios based on functional requirements of the project. The functional testing mainly involves black box testing and it is not concerned about the source code of the application. The major aim of functional test is to validate the software system against the functional requirements and specifications. Integration testing. Integration testing focuses on checking data communication among different modules of the project. In this type of testing, software modules are integrated logically and they are tested as a group. The major aim of this test is to ensure that software components or functions operate together. Performance testing. As the name suggests, performance testing tests how the software performs under different workloads. This testing will identify and eliminate the performance bottlenecks in the software applications. The major aim of this test is to evaluate performance under real-life load conditions. Now we will see a little bit about regression testing. In this type of testing, we test whether new features break or degrade the functionality. This testing is done to ensure that new code changes do not have any side effect on the existing functionalities. The major aim of this test is to ensure that the old code still works when the latest code changes are done. Next type of testing is stress testing. In this, we test how much strain the system can take before it fails. The testing is done to verify stability and reliability of software applications. The major aim of this test is to measure software on its robustness and error handling capabilities under extremely heavy load conditions and ensuring that software doesn't crash under crunch situations. Another important testing is the usability testing. This testing is related with the user. This testing validates how well a customer can use a system or web application to complete a task. This testing lets the design and development teams identify problems before they are coded. The major aim of this test is to identify any usability problem, collect qualitative and quantitative data, and determine the participants' satisfaction with the product. The last testing in this list is the acceptance testing. It verifies whether the whole system works as intended, as it is supposed to be. Acceptance testing is the last phase of software testing, which is performed after system testing and before making the system available for actual use. The major aim of this test is to evaluate the compliance of the system with the business requirements and assess whether it is acceptable for delivery or not.